Good afternoon, everybody. This is Thomas Wood with Microquant. Once again, we're going to be looking at the live trading room trade of the day. Another up day. Had a very great day. We had some great trades that played out very well. I'm only going to highlight 3 trades that I like the best. However, we had many more that were very profitable and that turned out very well for the traders in the trading room. The first one I'm going to look at is copper, and we had a long in copper. There was 2 reasons we were going long here. We went long at the open of this bar, gave you the ability to take out around $700 to $800 a contract to the upside or more, depending on where it ends up going. The reason we took the long was off of a yellow tip hammer right here, which is one of the reversal patterns we trade, as well as a bullish divergence on our histogram with our MQ momentum. Ended up being a great trade. It just shot up and never went back, so we were in good shape there. The next trade I want to point out is heating oil, which we had a long here off of another one of the candlestick reversal patterns. This is on a 30-minute chart as well. What we call a yellow tip doji. It jumped right up where we wanted it to. We were risking the low of the previous bar. That gave the ability to take out around $600 to $700 to the upside per contract, and then we reversed the position and went short because of a yellow hat doji right there, where this red arrow is, and that gave you the ability to take out anywhere from $600 to $700 all the way up to $1,200 to $1,500, depending on how long you held it. So that was another great trade there. I know many of the traders actually took that, and I know a few traders took this last one, which ended up being the best trade of the day. We pointed out both of these as trade opportunities. Initially in the morning, I sent out a long signal for all these signal feed subscribers in gold at around 1590. It ended up rallying up all the way to a high of 1598, roughly, so about $800 a contract in profit potentially there. Then we ended up shorting in the trading room because we saw the momentum was extremely weak and we were significantly overvalued, and it pulled right down. As soon as it hit down significantly undervalued here, we were looking at potential support levels from the intraday lows of yesterday. It ended up rallying straight up from there, so you took initially $8 an ounce up to the upside, and then another $12 an ounce to the downside, and then you had the ability to take out about $35 an ounce to the upside. So all in all, you were up almost $50 an ounce trading gold today. Roughly ended up being a great trade. That was the best trade of the day in my opinion. As you know, we've been very bullish gold. We actually were long from signal feed alerts all the way down at 1555. Ended up being great trades there if you were holding it this entire time, which we said is a possibility. That would put you up around $60 per ounce, which is a great move in gold. We'll continue to follow these markets in the trading room. I look forward to seeing everyone there bright and early tomorrow. So until next time, happy trading.